Hey everyone, welcome back to another Quickvee tips and tricks tutorial. Today we're diving into the More tab inside of Quickvee. This is where a lot of the magic happens behind the scenes, from managing promotions to handling deliveries. Let me show you everything you need to know. First, from the main menu, locate the More tab. Once you're here, you'll see 5 options in the left-hand column. Let's explore each one. Under promotions, you'll find 2 powerful tools, mix and match pricing and coupons. Mix and match pricing lets you create discounts when customers purchase certain products. The more they buy, the more they save. It's a great way to encourage upselling. We also have coupons. Coupons allow you to create discounts for repeat customers. You can even set up coupon codes for online orders through Quickvee, making it easy to reward loyalty or run special promotions. The More tab is also where you can set up your fully customizable loyalty program. Build a program that works for your business and keeps your customers coming back for more. Next, we have the print label screen. This all-new feature allows you to print labels in bulk, saving you time and making inventory management a breeze. Whether you need price tags, product labels, or anything else, Quickvee has you covered. Looking to manage gift cards? The gift card section allows you to view gift cards you've issued. You can check balances, add funds, or even remove funds directly from this screen. It's an all-in-one convenient place. Finally, we have the Dispatch Center. This is where your delivery drivers can log in, track outbound deliveries, and mark orders as dropped off. It's an essential tool for streamlining your delivery operations. And there you have it. This is a brief walkthrough of the More tab in Quickvee. From promotions to deliveries, this section gives you everything you need to keep your business running smoothly. Thanks again for choosing Quickvee.